Hello and welcome to the Philippines. Today we're looking at HQ Hostel, a brand new hostel here in Cebu City. There is Queensland Manor condominium right there, and just across the street is Spianada condominiums. You can see it over there in the background there, but brand new, just opened up here in January 2020. Got some nice seating outdoors and area indoors here. Receptionist here is going to show me some of the rooms. Some nice decor on the walls, and met the owners, a friendly group of guys.
Where are we going first?
Upstairs.
Okay.
Upstairs.
All right. What province are you from?
From Bantayan.
Bantayan.
Yeah.
Ah, I've been to Bantayan.
Bantayan. Yeah, I saw your cover photo on your.
Oh, okay.
You've been in Fantastic Island.
Yeah. How many rooms total?
We have 10 rooms already.
10 rooms?
Yeah.
Up here?
From room 1 to 7, we have 8 beds. 4 then.
4 beds per room?
Yeah, but we have 8 packs in one.
8 in one room.
Yeah, from 8 room to 10 room, we have 12 beds.
12 beds?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And air conditioner?
Yeah.
That's important. Okay, you have outlets. You have electrical outlets to charge everything up.
We have curtains each.
Oh, okay.
Privacy.
Okay, privacy curtain.
Yeah.
All right, that's nice. Okay. Do these guys have other hostels also, or this is the first one? You don't know.
I just started last 17 years.
Okay.
Just working.
All right.
And here's our double beds. He's still sitting up.
Oh. Okay, this feels good, nice and cool. So this is your 12
Beds.
bed, yeah.
I think they are presently set up with one of the Hostel booking sites, and I think that is operational, and they're in the process of getting verified for booking.com, hotels.com, agoda.com, Airbnb. They may have Airbnb at the present time also. Those will be options coming up soon anyway.
All right. So it's daytime. It's about 10 a.m. and it's pretty dark in here with those shades. So that's nice. All right. Here's another building. Yeah, people don't come to the Philippines to sit in their hotel and look out the window. All right, and okay, and then you're right across from Spianada.
Yeah.
I live right next door at Queensland Manor.
Okay.
So I get upset. The bar on the 3rd floor, sometimes they make a lot of noise.
I also live in the 3rd floor.
Oh, you live?
Yeah, there.
Oh, really? I'm on floor 11, but the bar is on the 3rd floor.
Yeah.
And they need to fix their gym equipment. Okay, so you're 2 stories.
Yeah, 2 stories. Then.
And are these the same?
Storage room. Storage
Oh,
room.
storage rooms.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have Wi-Fi in the rooms?
Yeah, we have for the guests and for the customers downstairs.
Okay, so you have Wi-Fi in the room, and you have any idea what speed it is? No. Okay. All right. All right, and a makeup room.
Yeah.
Where's the CR?
It's downstairs.
Oh, CR is downstairs. Yeah, I want to go visit Dan Bantayan. You have many nice beaches there also, right?
Yeah. This is for ladies.
Oh, okay. So this is the ladies.
Yeah.
All right.
The
All right.
showers, then the toilet.
All right. And the showers.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's kind of nice. No hot water, just cool, warm water.
Night water.
Cold one, yeah.
Huh?
Hot and cold water.
You have hot water? You have a hot water heater?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Us Westerners aren't used to cold water.
This one for men's.
And this is the men's. All right. All right. So you have nobody there. All right. Got a bum washer, toilet paper. You even supply toilet paper. All right. Very good.
You check my business.
No painted bodies or clothes.
Yeah, that's personal rules.
Violators will be taken away by bouncers. You guys the bouncers?
No. Just personal thing. We have bouncers here, but now
Okay.
back to
Don't.
normal.
Oh, don't break stuff. We will charge you double. No minors allowed. No smoking inside. Don't do anything you don't want tagged on Facebook. All right, that's funny. All right. And then where are these? Are these some of the relatives?
No.
Some of the workers that weren't doing some of the work, the past workers weren't doing their job properly?
Hopefully.
Hopefully,
That's just silicone made.
hopefully you won't be there one day. All right, and then what do we have out here? You have,
We have coffee shop, sir.
you have a coffee shop? Oh, okay. Lounge area? If you're over, duck, if you're over 4 foot 10 inches.
And we have HQ Hostel's house rules.
The house rules, no
Yeah.
drugs.
That's our
Be
rules.
minimize noise. Do not, that's my favorite. Do not play shitty music that no one likes. That's what, every bar, every restaurant I go in, that's what they're playing. Don't steal ever. Don't say no to drama. Don't break stuff. Toast before shots, but not in the room. All right. Very good. All right. Well, that's cool. Little tables there. Two stores.
Hey.
And coffee shop.
Yep.
All right. What hours is the coffee shop open?
We open from 7 to 7.
7 to 7. Okay. And you're very close. You're very close to Bar Mango and Bars and
Yeah.
Ayala Mall. Very close. So I live just next door on Queensland Manor.
Oh, okay, great. Yeah. We also plan to do cocktails here.
Cocktails.
All day cocktails.
All day cocktails. Oh, that could be dangerous. You want to be on the video?
He should be. He's a
Okay.
model.
He's the owner.
All right. My YouTube channel is called Amazing
Yeah,
Philippines.
we
Okay.
check it out.
Philippines.
Amazing Philippines.
There's a lot of followers.
I
You've been
do.
to Surigao?
Huh?
You've been to Surigao?
I have.
You like it there?
I was like 4 days. It was an interesting trip.
In the city or?
They quoted me a price of 500 pesos, 10 US dollars for a bed. And and just a little look around here. Got a nice area outside, billiard table down there. If you want to sit and watch people walk by and cars go by, there's seating out there as well. And I will put a link to their website. I did a search online, and they are still getting set up. They are just opened here in January 2020, and they are just getting set up, so they aren't listed on a lot of the sites yet, but that's their plans. Spianata condos there. And over there is the Queensland Manor Hotel, and there's a look at the building. Anyway, I'll leave a link, and there again with pricing can change regularly with hotels and hostels, especially during high season and low season. It could go lower. So check with them or check with the booking sites as they get set up. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Safe travels to you all wherever you're at, and I'll see you next time.